So hi, welcome to my channel, and in today's video we will start a new series in the channel where I will take you guys along journey of me creating my first business. In this video I will talk a little bit about who am I, what type of business I will be starting. I will give you a few sneak peeks of what I'm doing and I hope you guys enjoy it. So let's just jump into the video. Pedro, I am 22 years old, in college. I'm studying to become a civil engineer, but I really love art. I've been drawing since I was a kid. I started in traditional art as most of the people here. I went digital 2 years ago. Digital art, I did commissions for a year or something, and I made around $200 from commissions. So I guess this is give you an idea of what I am, what I'm doing. In finals of 2021, beginning of 2022, I was producing a lot of content and I was getting a lot of commissions. Life happened. I was making my own money. Because of that, I stopped doing what I was doing. After that, I was thinking about starting to sell prints, starting to sell digital products, but in my mind I was thinking all of that was a scam. I was seeing some artists that I followed being like, hey guys, I'm selling this course, I'm selling this ebook, and I always thought that those were mostly a scam. Jumping forward, I started getting really into art, really into mindfulness, people selling templates, selling assets, and people buying and enjoying, and I was like, oh my god, I already do this for myself. I have some experience in doing commissions, so I think that is something that I can actually do. I won't be a liar and be like, oh my god, I have this like external greater purpose. No, since I already do love writing, I had a lot of Wattpad books, but I don't know the name of them. I actually know the name of the account, but that is just
too much, too personal.
I wanted to start a blog. I see that a lot of bloggers do use their platforms to promote their products. And since I already do love making content, I was like, becoming an influencer, I don't know if I have the looks, first of all, or even the personality, because I feel like I am pretty bland. I don't know. I really wanted to start a sort of brand. My first idea was a clothing brand, but then I was like, shipping and fees and imports and exports and shit like that might get really expensive really fast. At some point, as this goes forward, I will be taking that route. But for now, I already have got familiar with some graphic design tools, and now I feel capable to start a store selling my digital assets. I got used to platforms like Beacons AI, marketing my products on Pinterest and TikTok. In last week, I sold around like 10 copies of my coloring book. So I can say that now that I do understand what it takes to make money online, sort of, I do have all the tools to start my own brand, make an impact most than anything, or gain some sort of influence and find my community. So those are my main goals. This is a very quick video. I hope you guys enjoy it, where I do explain basically myself, and this is like an intro to the series. I know this video is very like not interesting, but you don't know what I have stored for us, and I hope you guys enjoy it and see you on the next one.